So that's one of the biggest reasons to restore a Victorian house is you're starting with a massive project that's already been worked on, and you're giving it some TLC, and then you can just add your own design. Like I'm adding this, I'm adding that up there. I did not add around this window because this is one of the original windows that was left here. The others were tore out. If you look over there, that was all ripped off, so I had to redo that. I had to redo all those moldings. And even this down here for the patio or the porch area, redid all that. But so I've added a lot of design. I've done a lot of artistic to it, and not just me, I mean the whole family. So that's why restoring a Victorian house can be very rewarding.